Hello everyone, this is a new case of Hot Wheels Premium Modern Classic set. Let's unbox this and see how and what are the cars in this. It's a bit tough to unbox without the table, but yeah, soon I'll have it. Soon. I'm saying this since last year, but yeah. Okay, so I'm hoping for a chase. I would love to get a chase, but I preferred the black color chase. But yeah, now that's golden. See that, and there is no chase. Yeah, so there is no chase. That is completely fine. So an extra case on the side, like cardboard, not the case. So yeah, first car is gonna be this. This is pretty good Mazda. Looks beautiful, right? And then we have another Mazda, leaving that aside. Here we have is the Ferrari. Everyone loves this one right now. It's pretty high in demand. Let me just try to get it in 1x so that will look more beautiful. Yeah, the Ferrari badge over here. Leaving this aside, same Ferrari. I'm excited for the Porsche and Ferrari mostly. This is Nismo 270R, that's S14. Everyone knows this as well. Nissan. Perfect. Nice one. Honestly, I didn't expect this one to be this good, but yeah, I'll open one. I'm gonna open everything in this set. I'm good with this. Like, I want to open it. This is a Porsche 993 GT2. Beautiful car. I really like the spoiler. The tail in this car is like nice. I like the headlights. Good one. Same thing again. Skipping this aside, that's the last car that we have is Toyota. I don't know if this is gonna be a good hit or a miss, but yeah, mostly all of these cars are so beautiful in this set, and that's what we got in this set. Like, the card condition is pretty good, brand new. I just opened it, but yeah, it's sometimes we get is card got this way, but it's pretty good, not bad. So see you in the next video. Thanks.